Elizabeth. Yeah, we're gonna have a party.
Why is this shed
do I
door
need to pick her
open?
up? Yeah.
I'll close it.
Anyway, she's coming. Wait, where she's coming though? Wait, she's coming from San Francisco to here, Concord. Oh, yeah. Can you go check on the girls real quick? Yeah, sure. Yay! I did it! Oh. I'm going potty! Oh, honey? Yeah? Hey, Daddy, what? I'm doing the world record. See, look, I'm putting my hands on the floor and my head down and my feet up on the bed. It's called bed floor. All right. Where's your sister? She's up there. Honey? Yeah? Tomorrow Elizabeth is coming. Elizabeth!
That girl up there.
What?
Older than
What? Elizabeth is coming? Elizabeth!
This is hurting my ears.
Elizabeth! Yes, Elizabeth. Now please shush. All right, Elizabeth! Are you okay with Elizabeth coming? Yeah, sure, Dad. Where's the babies? Oh, they're down there. Pattia, Birdie is sleeping, and Nikki, he is eating. Oh, okay, thanks for telling me. Yeah, sure. Hey, Nikki? Yeah? Do I have food on my face? Yes, a little bit.
I didn't know
Honey?
babies could talk.
Yes? What are you doing? I'm just sleeping. Good night. Okay, it's almost dinner, everybody, alright? If you want to go swimming, you can go swimming in the pool. Alright. Swimming! Help! I can't! Okay, I got you. No swimming for you. Alright. Good night. Good night. Hey, honey, what's going on? Oh, I'm just telling you Elizabeth's coming tomorrow. I heard it again! Okay, guys! Dinner's ready! Woo! Dinner! Woo!
Why are they sitting at
Alright! Get in the carriage, everybody, to eat. Get in here, I bet. Oh, my chair, my chair.
the food?
I meant, I got you guys dinner.
Help it.
Start eating, guys. Alright, guys. It's time to eat. Oh, yay, eating. Alright, I'll sit down and eat. Me too. Nom. I need to go to the bath. I need to go back to the bed. I need to go to the bath. I'm gonna go to the bathtub. Why are they taking the chair with them? I have no idea, honey. I have no idea. I got it. Let me get the towel. Woo! Dry. I'm just taking my drink with me.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Why is she drinking out of a shoe?
It's not a shoe. It's supposed to be a drink.
Oh.
All right. Okay, girls, it's time for bed. Go in bed, guys. All right. Oops.
Can't believe you used your foot on this.
Come on, Sissy. I'm coming. Oh, I've always wanted to try this. What? Ready, set, go. Light off. All right, it's off. What's up? your bed, girl. Good night. Oopsies. Oops. Time to get up.
And the movie is